I want to ask about consideration fees. If a library has some skin in the game, would their motivation for getting songs placed be higher than if the composer just gave them product? Yes, that would economically make sense, but they cannot. I was just answering this the other day. I don't know where I was answering it, but even if a library is more motivated to get you placements, they cannot make a client like your track, right? So if you have rock tracks and they paid you consideration fees, but there's another artist that has EDM electronic tracks and they didn't pay them consideration fees. Well, the client might say, hey, we want some EDM stuff. So this library would be foolish to say, yeah, okay, we know you want that, but can you just maybe use this rock stuff instead? Because we paid that guy some money. We kind of want to recoup on that. That'd be very foolish of them to do. Their job is to serve their clients, right? So consideration fees, yes, obviously can help people get a little bit more like, all right, we really need to recoup our money back and get them more motivated. But it doesn't change preferences. It's not going to change what a client wants. So you still got to make sure that your tracks are licensable and useful for their clients.